Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transform any static image into a beautiful animation. Before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick request. We've recently launched a new music channel focused on music for work and relaxation. If you enjoy music in this style, please consider subscribing to support us. Now, let's get started. First, we need an image. You can download a free one from freepik.com or find one from any source you like. After downloading your image, open it in Adobe Photoshop. In this example, I've chosen to animate a curtain. Use the crop tool to isolate the curtain area, then copy and paste it onto a new layer. Once you've done that, save your project as a PSD file. Next, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition. Import the PSD file, and when prompted, make sure to set the layer options to editable layer styles. Adjust the composition size as needed, and open the composition to begin editing. Once the layers are ready, you might notice an issue with the background if the curtain moves. To fix this, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Use the rectangle tool to create a mask on the duplicated layer, ensuring the background stays intact. This masking trick works well for any part of the image you want to animate. To animate the curtain, use the puppet pin tool. Place pins on the curtain layer to control its movement and bring it to life. For added realism, apply a grain effect. Open the Effects and Presets panel, search for Add Grain, and apply it to a new adjustment layer. For a more dynamic look, add a lens flare effect. Create a new adjustment layer and position it behind the curtain layers. Apply the lens flare effect, then animate its brightness with keyframes to synchronize with the curtain's motion. Adjust the flare's center to position it precisely. Now let's add a bird animation. Open Adobe Illustrator and create the bird design, ensuring each part is on a separate layer. Save the file and import it into After Effects. Enable rotation for the wing layer and animate it to flap. Bring the bird into the main composition and use a mask to blend it seamlessly into the scene. For the final touch, include a particle effect. Download the particle video from the link in the description, then import it into your composition. Change the blending mode to screen to integrate it into the animation. And that's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the Select Motion channel for more tutorials like this.